Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to make cells same size in Google Sheets. So let's say you want to make the whole sheet the size of this column and row. What you want to do is to find out what is the size of it to apply it to every single one of the columns and rows in this sheet. To find out, you will right click on the column first and click on resize column. Here you should see 155.56, so remember that or write it down if possible. So I will quickly write it down on the paper, then select OK. Now go over to the row where you have your cell size and right click and click on resize row. Here there is 46, so remember that as well. Click OK. Now simply select all of them below. So select the whole sheet, then right click and click on resize rows, and then enter the number that you have seen earlier right here. In my case it was 46 and press OK. Now highlight all of the columns like so and simply resize them as well. Just right click, resize columns and enter a number from before, 156 for me. And right now you can see the cells are same size. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.